Hey there, fellow guitar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic for all you beginner guitarists out there. We're going to talk about the absolute must-have accessories that will make your journey with the guitar even more enjoyable. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your gear, these accessories are essential. So, let's dive in. Accessory 1, Tuner. First up, we have the tuner. Now, staying in tune is the foundation of good guitar playing. A digital tuner is your best friend in this regard. It helps you keep your guitar perfectly in tune. There are various models available, but I recommend mention a few popular tuner models. Accessory 2, Guitar Picks. Next, we have guitar picks. Picks come in different thicknesses and materials, allowing you to experiment with different tones and playing styles. Depending on your preference and style, you might want to have a variety of picks in your collection. Accessory 3, Guitar Strap. Now, let's talk about the guitar strap. This accessory is essential if you plan to play while standing, and it also prevents those accidental drops, comfort and safety. That's what a good strap provides. Accessory 4, Gig Bag or Case. You'll also need a gig bag or a case. This is crucial to protect your precious guitar from damage when it's not in use or during transportation. Investing in a quality bag or case is like giving your guitar a safe and cozy home. Accessory 5, Capo. Moving on to the Capo. This little gadget allows you to change the pitch of your guitar without changing your finger positions. It's a game changer when you want to play in different keys. It's a must-have for versatile playing. Accessory 6, String Winder and Cutter. Changing strings can be a bit tricky for beginners. But with a string winder and cutter, it becomes a breeze. These tools are time savers and string life extenders. Accessory 7, Metronome Host. Now, let's talk about rhythm and timing. A metronome is a fantastic tool to help you practice and develop your sense of timing. It's your secret weapon for nailing those tricky rhythms. Accessory 8, String Cleaner and Cloth. Your guitar's longevity depends on proper maintenance. A string cleaner and cloth help you keep your strings and guitar body in pristine condition. A clean guitar not only sounds better but also looks great. Accessory 9, Guitar Stand. Let's not forget the guitar stand. It's a simple accessory but oh so convenient. It keeps your guitar safe and easily accessible when you're not playing. No more leaning your guitar against the wall. Accessory 10, Instructional Material. Lastly, instructional material. Whether it's books, online lessons, or apps, having quality learning resources can turbocharge your progress. Learning is a journey, and good resources are your trusty companions. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the top 10 must-have guitar accessories for beginners. Investing in these accessories will not only enhance your playing experience but also help you take care of your beloved instrument. Remember, it's all about making your guitar journey as enjoyable as possible. In the video description below, you'll find links to all the products I've mentioned. Simply scroll down and click the links to learn more or make a purchase. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep strumming, and we'll see you in the next video.